Hello, my name is Maribeth Bosberg, and this is my presentation on the reaction between baking soda and vinegar. The purpose of this experiment is to demonstrate an acid-base reaction. Like I mentioned, this acid-base reaction is going to be between baking soda, vinegar, when you combine them into a combined space, which is a plastic bottle, and see what occurs and what reactions happen once they are mixed. For this, the solution that we're going to be creating is between vinegar and baking soda. The vinegar is the acid and the baking soda is the base. Pretty much for this experiment, what we're going to do is we put vinegar into a plastic bottle, roughly about a fourth to halfway full of that bottle, and then we put baking soda into a paper towel and roughly about 2 scoops onto a paper towel. Roll that paper towel, make sure it's all tight and easy to fit into the bottle, and then when you get it ready, you're going to put that kind of looks like a cigarette joint looking thing with your baking soda into the bottle, quickly put the lid on, and then shake it up a little bit and then set it down. The reason you're going to want to set it down is because this reaction is going to happen very quick, and the gas that's created is going to want to escape fairly quickly. So moving on, the reaction and the results of this experiment. What's happening is the reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda. When the vinegar gets through the paper towel and starts to react with that baking soda, it is creating carbon dioxide. And that carbon dioxide is building up very quickly and ultimately wants to escape. With the bottle having the lid on, there is no way for that carbon dioxide to escape, so it's just building and building and building, and eventually the gas is going to push the lid off, causing a rocket-like projection to occur. And this is why you got to be away when you don't really want to do this experiment inside. You're going to blow that lid off, and the bottle is going to go. And this is, excuse me, because that carbon dioxide is building. Another example that you can see this type of reaction between acids and base is when you're making a loaf of bread or quick bread with the yeast, and it allows the bread to rise. And that is my presentation on the baking soda and vinegar reaction. Thank you.